greenhouse gases and global warming. Now, what happens the whole day when the earth gets heated up? At night, the earth basically radiates the heat that it has been taking for the whole day to back to the atmosphere. Now, few of the gases that is released on the earth, basically, when they reach the atmosphere, they stops the radiation of the whole amount of the heat back to the space, and they basically act like a mirror and they reflect some of the heat back to the earth's surface. That means it is not allowing the heat radiated by the earth to escape into the space. Thus what happens, the temperature of the earth is maintained even at night, which would have been minus 18 degree if there were no greenhouse gases, and our earth would have got frozen and we would have died. So basically greenhouse gases are very important because they keep the earth atmosphere or earth surrounding at an optimum temperature so that we can survive even at night. Now, what is global warming? Global warming is when these greenhouse gases become too high in amount. Then what is happening? The ill effects, the side effects of these greenhouse gases is it is not allowing maximum heat to escape. So the temperature of the earth is, increasing year by year, and it is estimated by 2030 the temperature would increase by 1.5 to 4.5 degree Celsius. So that will be very high. As you can see, nowadays the summer is becoming very hot and we are not able to survive. We feel that nowadays summer is very hot in comparison to previous years. This is because of the increased amount of greenhouse gases. Now, why are they called greenhouse gases? Because they act like the greenhouse glasses which are made to prevent the heat from getting radiated. So that is why they are called greenhouse gases. Few of the greenhouse gases that you should know the names are basically carbon dioxide, methane, CFC, that is chlorofluorocarbon, and nitrous oxide.